So it was a great trip this time at Roan Mountain State Park. We had so much fun. It was me, then me and the mystery rider, then me and the mystery rider and my wife. And we did a little hiking, and we did a salamander trail hike at night, which was fun. Got to learn a lot about salamanders. Most diverse group of species of salamanders in the world. Here in eastern Tennessee, this park tries their best to preserve them all. Oh, there was a bunch of silly stuff, like at one point I was supposed to bring 2 inflatable air mattresses because the mystery rider doesn't have saddlebags. Only brought 1, so I slept on the hard ground with my bedroll. It was wonderful. We had rain and we had lots of wind. Oh, and I guess the biggest thing that went wrong, but what are you going to do about it? Backing out of the space after the rain on a hill, and the hiking boots are new, so they weren't quite as grippy as they should be, I guess. And I dropped this bike, so it didn't really, I mean, it's paint damage, and some chrome damage, but it's not, I don't know, we'll see. You know, I got a low deductible insurance. That's what insurance is for. I mean, this bike is made for long distances. It's not made for looks. You know, I got it to be functional and comfortable. Now that's a rig. Got your Vespa on the trailer hitch, got your Class B camper. Looks like it's off-road too. It's kind of set up off the ground a bit.